Hello everyone. Continuing our discussion on the models of oligopoly. Now we will be seeing Chamberlain's duopoly model. Edward Chamberlain gave a new model of oligopoly, which is known as Chamberlain's model of duopoly. So it was given by Edward Chamberlain. So in this model, we would be drawing the model first and then we will discuss about it. So the y-axis measures the price and the x-axis measures the output. So we have three different levels of output, M, N and Q. Okay, then we have the demand curve B and A. We have the N output and P price, and we have the Q output and the P1 price, and we have N. Yeah, so this is the basic model of Edward Chamberlain. So AB is the market demand curve. AB is equal to market demand curve. So this is the overall demand of the particular market. Now if X when X enters the market first, he will produce ON level of output. Okay, so X का प्रोडक्शन जो है वो ON है and price is OP. Okay, OP is the price, and this allows X to secure the maximum monopoly profit, that is ONP. ONCP. Okay, this is the profit that X secures in this case. Okay, ONCP is the profit that X secures in this case. Now this is because it was the only firm in the market, that's why it is able to secure this level of profits in the monopoly. So ये जो येलो कलर का शेडेड रीजन है, that is the profits that X has secured in producing the particular product. Now no amount and fixes. यहाँ पे अब Y is entering the market, seeing that X is making a lot of profit. Now Y enters the market and produces NQ quantity of output. Okay, अब Y क्या कर रहा है, वो NQ level of output बना रहा है. Okay, this is the level of output that he is preparing. This is the output that he would be preparing. So why does this Y enters? Okay, Y firm क्यों market में enter हो रहा है? Because it sees that X is making a lot of profit here. So it also decides to enter the market and undertake production. Now what happens is it also tries to produce at the same price. Okay, NQ level of output वो बनाता है, NQ level of output, NQ output at price P. Now ON से लेके अब NQ तक फिर से output बढ़ गया. Due to that, what happens is that the price comes down to P1 level. Okay, P1 level पे price आ जाता है. Now X immediately realizes that if he reduces the price in order to attract competition, in order to eliminate competition, or in order to sustain the market at a higher level, higher market share को sustain करने के लिए, what he would be doing is that instead of retaliating and um, engaging in a price war, what X immediately does is that this is a case of mutual interdependence, and due to this, two of the producers reduce their quantity. Okay, what they do is that both the producers, both X and Y, reduce their output in such a manner that both are able to earn profits equal to the earlier level, equal to the earlier level. So as a result, what happens is X reduces its profits. Okay, X reduces the output till this level. Okay, X क्या करता है कि अपनी output को यहाँ तक की कम कर देता है, ON से लेके अब वो OM तक ही produce करता है. Okay, and this N to M level, or N to M region, would be covered by the firm Y. So the new output would be, for X it is OM, for Y it is NQ, sorry, not NQ, it would be MN. As a result, what happens कि दोनों एक consensus पे arrive करके they reduce their outputs in such a manner that the price again moves from P1 to P, and due to this what happens that the profit of both the organizations or both the companies remain as it is. So अभी नया price कैसे निकल के आता है, हम दो colors लेते हैं. First and foremost we will be seeing the profit of we'll be seeing the profit of firm X. So the orange, light orange peach color shaded one is the profit of firm X. Okay, ये X का profit है यहाँ पे. This is the profit of X, and we'll be seeing the profit of the other company. Okay, we'll be seeing the profit of another company, that is firm Y. This light green light green color shaded area is the profit of Y. So let's write also on it. Okay, profit of X, and this is profit of Y. And in this manner both the firms are able to earn the maximum possible profit. So what happens is, this is a duopoly wherein they arrive at a consensus as they realize that they both are mutually dependent on each other, and instead of fighting with each other they arrive at a consensus कि हम लोग यही प्राइस चार्ज करेंगे और दोनों अपना आउटपुट यहाँ पे रिड्यूस करके मैक्सिमम लेवल ऑफ प्रॉफिट कमाने की यहाँ पे कोशिश करते हैं. So this is Edward Chamberlain's duopoly model. In the next video we will be seeing Squeezee's kinked demand curve, and we will be first and foremost getting introduced to the concept of kinked demand in with the help of this model. Thank you.